everyone, what's up? My name's Chrissy and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. Today's look is going to be this golden chocolate halo eye, and I'm going to be giving you two lip options. This is the first one, a chocolatey brown lipstick, and this is the second lip option right here, a more nude lip. So if you want to see how to get this look, just keep on watching. Alright, we are nice and zoomed in, and of course we're going to get started with the eyes. So once again, I'm going to be using the Sweet Talk palette by Colourpop. I did a look with this palette before, like a more pink tone look. I'm going to dip into more of like the brown shades in there and the gold as well. So the first shade I'm going to take is this one right here, and it is called Work It. I'm going to use that on an Morphe M441 brush. Just going to put that into the crease. I already have my eyes primed and set, my eyebrows done, per usual. We're going to put that shade into our crease. This will be our transition shade. And for today's look, I'm going to be doing a halo eye. I haven't done a halo eye in forever. I've been mostly doing cut creases, but I feel like halo eyes are so fun and so beautiful, and I feel like they're much easier than cut creases, in my opinion. I'm also taking that shade and putting it a little above my crease too, because if I just laid it like straight into my crease, it would be really hard to see since I have hooded eyes. Alright, the next shade I'm going to take is this shade right here, and this is called West Side. And I'm going to take that on a Morphe M433 brush. I'm just going to put that in the crease. But with this shade, as you can see, I'm really keeping that in the crease. Not taking it as high as I did with the first shade we used. Okay, now I'm going to take this shade right here called Feel Free, and I'm going to put that in the crease. Oh, and I'm taking it a little lower than I did with that shade West Side that we used. So this one. I'm also taking that shade on the outer corner. And for this shade, I'm using a Morphe M506 brush. I'm taking it in the crease, and I'm also packing that color on the outer corner. I'm packing it on the outer corner, then kind of bringing that shade into the crease. So now I'm going to take just a little bit more of that shade and put it on the inner corner. And then bring it into the crease. I'm not taking too much of the shade. I'm kind of taking a little bit of the shade and then building it up as I go. And now I'm just going to strictly put this color in the crease. and just keep building the color up to the intensity that you want, little by little. This shade is really cool. In the palette, it looks like just a really dark chocolate brown, but it's definitely got some purple undertones in it. Okay, I feel like I like how it's turning out so far. I'm just gonna take, so now I'm just gonna go back into that second shade we used, West Side, this one, and I'm gonna take that same brush we used, the Morphe M433, and just do a little, oh my god, that was a fail. And I'm just gonna do a little more blending. I'm gonna take just a little bit more of that shade Feel Free and kind of like give a little bit of a winged out effect. Just a little tiny bit, like. There we go. So now I'm going to take my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and I'm going to put that on a flat brush, and I'm going to create the little, I'm going to start doing the little halo eye. So I'm just going to take the concealer, kind of keep it in the center, swipe down. Then I also kind of look like straight on, and that is going to tell me how far up I should go. So I kind of messed up a little when I was doing my halo eye and got a concealer a little too far out. If that happens, like, just take the shade like you were using. So I'm taking Feel Free, and I'm just kind of taking that brush and just very lightly just kind of like boop, like dapping it on. There you go. All right, so now we're gonna take the NYX Glitter Primer, take that on my finger and just dab it onto that space. You could also use a brush for this, but I just feel like, I'll use my finger, why not? Okay, so now I'm going to take the shade Early Morning right here, this gold shade, and I'm just gonna put that in the center where we cut the lid space. I'm just gonna use my finger and put it on there. Ooh, that's so pretty. This shade is so pretty. I feel like it's kind of like, like, it's not just a typical gold. Like, it's definitely got some like orange shimmer in there too. So pretty. So I'm going to take the shade West Side, and I'm just gonna lightly kind of blend the gold and the like dark plummy brown together. Just gonna lightly do that. And take it up just a little in the crease. Awesome. Alright, so I'm going to do my lashes off camera, and I'm also going to do my foundation and concealer off camera because I'm going to use the same products I always use. Everything I use in this video will also be listed in the description bar below. But yeah, I'm just going to do those off camera, but I'll show like my bronzer and blush that I'll be using and the lip color, of course. Okay, so got my lashes on and I'm wearing Bold Face Makeup Power Play lashes, and I've got my foundation, concealer, powder on. So next I'm going to do bronzer. I'm going to do the Chocolate Soleil bronzer. And I'm just going to like kind of contour, bronze at the same time. That's like my favorite thing to do. Just do an all-in-one contour bronze kind of thing. So taking just a small brush, Chocolate Soleil bronzer. And I'm going to take a small brush and do a little light contour slash bronze on the nose. Alright, and then for blush, I'm going to use the Alamar Causemetics Blush Trio. This is the medium tan one. And I'm just going to take the color Seclusion, this peachy blush right here. And I'm going to put that on my cheeks. And for highlighter, I'm going to take the Stila Heaven's Hue highlighter in the shade Brilliance. I'm also going to put that on my nose as well. Just on the tip of my nose, then a little down the bridge. I also like to take just a little above the eyebrow too. Okay, now we're going to go back to the eyes. I'm going to take this Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil in this shade Space Dust. And I'm going to put that in the waterline. These colors really don't go together, but whatever. It always feels super weird for me to put, you know, liner in the waterline. Okay, and then for the lower lash line, I'm going to take the shade Feel Free and put that on the lower lash line. And I'm going to take like a flat brush like this. This is a Morphe brush, but it was in a set of like a bunch of other brushes, so it doesn't have like a number on it. And then I'm going to take the shade West Side and use a pencil brush. I'm going to use a pencil brush and put that on the lower lash line. Kind of blend out that shade Feel Free. And for the brow bone highlight, I'm going to use the shade Catch Me. Sometimes I prefer to use a matte brow bone highlight if I've already got a lot of shimmer going on with the eyes already. And then for the inner corner highlight, I'm going to use that same brush that we just used. For the brow bone highlight, I'm going to take Side to Side. And Side to Side is this shade right here. I believe this is like a Super Shock shadow. Since it is a super shock shadow and super shock shadows work best with your finger, I definitely recommend, like, if you want to use it for an inner corner highlight, going in with your finger to put it. I just use my pinky to do it because I know it's kind of hard to get up in there, but yeah, it shows up a lot better if you use your finger. I mean, you can also try wetting the brush, but I don't know, I just felt like using my finger. Okay, and then for the lips, I'm going to take the Morphe lip liner in the shade Vibes. And I'm gonna align my lips with that. Then I'm going to take the Dose of Colors lipstick in the shade More Creamer Please. This was a collab with Desi Perkins and Katie Luster Lex. Alright, so this is a lip option number 1. And now I'm going to show you a lip option number 2. So for lip option number 2, I'm doing the same thing, aligning my lips with the Morphe lip liner in the shade Vibes. And now I'm going to take the Colourpop Lippie stick in the shade Taurus. And this was in collaboration with Kathleen Lights. Okay, and this is a lip option number 2 with just a chocolate lip to go with the golden chocolate eyes that we got. And now I'm just gonna set this makeup look with the Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray. Alright, and this right here is the completed look. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you like this look. Leave a comment below and let me know what lip color you like better with this look. Did you like the nude option or did you like the chocolatey brown option? Let me know. What would you rock with this look? I hope you have a great rest of your day and I will see you in the next video.